Father God, I'm begging for protect me.
Protect me from what?
COVID and vaccine.
Nobody else gonna love me like you. Not entertaining thoughts of the mysteries, all the fairy tales. Just wanna look good, craving the attention. We don't know when to stop, so we keep going till we drop. Yeah, let me tell you about a little thing that I know of. It can give you everything you need. Oh, just look.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. So as you see, it's gonna be teaming me again. So today I just got my COVID vaccine, so I'm gonna be acting really dramatic, acting like I don't feel well, act like maybe I passed out, and see how my husband reacts. So guys, stay tuned. Make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe. Can't wait to get into it.
Jar. Mommy took the cookie from the cookie jar.
Who, me?
Yes, you.
Not me.
Then
Keep
who?
Naru. Keep Naru.
You.
Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? I took the cookie from the cookie jar. Who, me? Who, me? Not me. Not me.
What?
Family. Yeah.
Hey. Oi.
Oh, oh my.
I'm just so tired.
You crazy?
That shit hurts.
Wow. Eh?
I'm
What's
just
going
tired.
on? You dropped a while ago?
Yeah.
You're tired?
Lay down there, son. Lay down there, son. Easy, I'm feeling you.
I'm tired.
Down here, cool.
I'm
Hey,
tired.
keep
I'm
up your head.
tired.
Keep up your head. Speak right as well. This is crazy. They really take vaccine, but tell them to take the vaccine, you know?
I'll go upstairs with
Can you give
you.
me a cover?
But tell them to take the vaccine, but true, you know love take vaccine? See what vaccine do to people? Yeah, man. Father God, I'm begging for protect me.
Protect me from what?
COVID and vaccine.
Why don't you get the vaccine?
We're not taking you know, see what vaccine I do to you.
But it keeps you safe.
Yeah, man, keep it safe and kill at the same time.
I'm not dying.
Whenever I see nothing like this,
Who's gonna die?
Day.
you look like you're dead.
Dying.
Take vaccine before you just leave vaccine alone.
Dad?
When you leave vaccine alone, you're young and strong.
But you could get other people sick.
Them that can get us sick, you know how much people not take it? That's so you have to just, I don't know what to tell you. I wish you all the best. Hope you get better. And hope the vaccine works.
Stop acting like I'm dying, stupid.
I should stop acting like what?
I'm dying.
Never say I did, you know? Never say I did. You hear me say though? I don't trust this vaccine thing. So I'm there think to take you know, but now look what you when me I see me not take that. I'm there think to take the vaccine. And we can't take the vaccine now. After me incident thing happened to you. You know what I'm saying? And when it happened to me, I take care of myself, like come and take care of you.
You just told me I'm dying. How am I going to take care of you?
Yeah, like you know, listen with me and tell you.
Am I hot? I feel hot.
You know, as my head hurt me.
Oh, baby, you
Cry.
felt my head?
As my head hurt me crying.
I know.
So, imagine
Come
when we
feel
get the
me. Am I
vaccine.
hot? I feel hot.
You want some tea? Best remedy that right now.
Feel me.
Drink some tea.
Come on. I could be dying right now. You don't give two shits.
You're not dying.
Oh, you're not feeling me. So you're not. See, she's feeling me.
Don't cough on the door. You need to wear a mask.
Why do I have to wear a mask?
Why you not wear a mask?
Why do I have to wear a mask?
Because you still can give people COVID.
Why?
And you can still be a carrier if you do the vaccine.
I would just test it.
Okay? Then
I
just
don't
get a shot again.
I don't feel good. I'm so like sleepy in my head. I feel so light. I feel hot.
Well, just close the eye. Close the eye and go see. I can't tell you nothing else. I don't know what to do.
That's how you take care of people who say you don't know people.
I take care of you all the time. I tell you I'm gonna make you soup today. I'm gonna go cook soup. Just ask if you want tea. Press this. Go. Press that. Go. Yeah, go. Go press it.
So
Yo,
my
you
arm
want
feels
soup?
so hot.
Yo, this is crazy. Seriously. You want me to make it too? Hmm? Come here, baby. Come here. Mommy is not feeling well. I'll keep him. Go to sleep. Right? 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 Yeah, right. Right. That's crazy that you fell right over there. Like, that's crazy. Maybe when them call this, I will tell them. You know when them love call people about COVID and tell them about what you're feeling.
Stupid.
What?
Say T Mimi one time.
Timmy.
Close enough.
TV.
Y'all, I got him. He was like, you have COVID because you got the vaccine. I don't think that's how that works. But anyway, guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Got his ass.